30.
Yo! An SVR just got issued.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Ward County, southeastern Montgomery County, northeastern Richmond County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Hoffman, or 16 miles north of Rockingham, and is nearly stationary.
Nearly
60
stationary!
miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh my god.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pine Bluff, LOB, Foxfire, Gander, Norman, Derby, Seven Lakes, Eagle Springs, Pekin, and Covington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Montgomery, Moore, and Richmond.
There's no way.